Hey roses, welcome back to my channel. Do you ever feel like making friends is harder than picking an outfit for school? Like seriously, where did all the fun, cool, and loyal besties go? Well today, I'm spilling the tea on how you can make friends easily, fast, and actually keep them. Whether you're shy, introverted, or just don't know where to start, this video will totally get you a new friend. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's make some friends. Step 1. Change your mindset. Okay, first off, let's talk about our mindset. Making friends starts with you. If you keep telling yourself, I'm too awkward or people don't like me, girl, you're setting yourself up for failure. Confidence is important when making friends. Here's a little trick. Before you step out of your house, tell yourself, I am fun, I am kind, and I deserve good friends. Repeat it until you believe it, because when you radiate good energy, people can't help but want to be around you. Trust me, it works. One more thing, don't focus on being perfect. No one is looking for perfection in a friend. They're looking for someone who's genuine and fun to be around. Try practicing gratitude. When you appreciate yourself and the small wins, your positive energy will naturally attract others. Being confident doesn't mean being loud or the center of attention. It's about knowing your worth and not being afraid to show your authentic self. Practice small habits, like standing tall and making eye contact. These changes can make a huge difference in how others see you. Also, ditch the fear of rejection. It happens to everyone, and it's not personal. The right people will vibe with you, I promise. Step 2. Where to find your future bestie. Now that your mindset is on point, let's talk about where to actually find your future best friend. Here are some fun places to meet friends. School clubs or sports teams. Do you love art? Then join the art club. Are you into soccer? Then give the tryouts a try. Shared interests equals instant connection with your future bestie. Library or coffee shops. Don't sleep on these quiet spots. Compliment someone's book at the library or their cute laptop stickers, and boom, you've both started a conversation. Volunteer events. Helping others is a great way to bond. Plus, it shows you're kind-hearted and a total friend material. Hobbies and classes. Take up a new hobby like painting, yoga, or dance classes. Not only will you learn something fun, but you'll also meet like-minded people. Step 3. How to approach a new friend. Approaching new people can feel like a whole horror movie, but it doesn't have to be. Here's how to keep it cool. Compliment them. Find something you genuinely like about someone and say it. Start with something simple like, I love your hair, or your earrings are so cute. Compliments are not just icebreakers. They make people feel good, so they easily open up to you. Smile. A smile is like a universal, hey, I'm nice signal. It makes you look more confident, even if you're actually nervous. Use their name. When you meet someone, use their name a few times when you speak to them. It makes people feel seen and appreciated. For example, hey Rosie, nice to meet you. So Rosie, what do you love doing for fun? See how that made me feel good? Go ahead and try it out next time you're outside. Be yourself, because fake friendships aren't the vibe we're going for. Also, don't cross your arms or look away when someone's talking to you. And if someone doesn't respond the way you hoped, shake it off and try again with someone else. Remember, rejection is part of the process, and it's totally okay. Step 4. How to be a good friend. So, you've met some cool people and made good friends, but how do you keep those friendships? Well, here's the secret. Be supportive, celebrate their wins, and be there for their tough days. Loyalty is everything. Communicate. Don't be the friend who ghosts people. Reply to texts, check on them, and make an effort. Be honest. If something's bothering you, talk it out with your friends. No passive-aggressive vibes, please. Respect their boundaries. Everyone needs their space sometimes, and that's okay. Being understanding makes you a better friend. Make time for them. Friendship requires effort. Schedule regular hangouts, or even quick calls to stay connected. And don't forget to sprinkle in some fun surprises. A thoughtful note, a small gift, or even a random meme can brighten someone's day and show you care. Step 5. How to overcome rejection. Rejection happens to everyone. Even the most social girl doesn't click with every person she meets. So instead of focusing on rejection, Celebrate the effort you made. Each interaction is practice for the next. Tell yourself, not everyone will vibe with me, and that's okay. Keep a sense of humor about awkward moments. Laugh it off and move on. Confidence comes from not taking yourself too seriously. Step 6. Fun day out ideas with friends. Now that you've got your girl gang or bestie, here are some fun day out ideas to keep the friendship going strong. Picnic in the park. Bring snacks, a blanket, and a speaker for music. Friendship photo shoot. Dress up, find a cute location, and take cool pictures together. Movie night. Whether it's at the theater or a Netflix marathon at home, this is always a win. Baking day. Make cupcakes, cookies, or whatever you're all craving together. And you can even turn it into a decorating competition with friends. Craft night. Get creative with painting, DIY jewelry, or scrapbooking. It's a chill and fun way to bond. Game night. Bring out board games, card games, or even video games and have fun all night. Workout together. Try a fun group workout like Pilates or yoga. It's healthy and a great bonding experience. All right, roses. That's your ultimate guide to making friends easily and fast. Remember, the key is to be confident, kind, and open. Now, I want you to comment below your favorite tip from this video or share your own advice for making friends. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more girl talk.